The first time I came to Paso, I don't know what it was, but I fell in love with the area. I don't know if it was the ancient oak trees, the rolling hills, the family-run wineries and businesses here. I fell in love with what Paso was at its core. And every time someone comes and visits us and comes to the Back Roads Wine Trail, I want to show them that same love that I felt the first time I came here.
Farming is hard. It is very, very tough. My hands are in everything. I obsess over the wine. We're just working with the earth, working with Mother Nature, and working with the conditions that we're given to make the best wine that we could possibly make.
Winemaking is hard. You're lifting, you're hauling, you're moving. But at the end of the day, when you're done, and over time, as you see wine barrels become full and your crop is looking beautiful, you're proud of that work. And we get to share that with people who come here.
I tell people, don't go to the tasting rooms where you can find the wine in your neighborhood. Find the wines you can't find anywhere else.
Cheers!
The level of intimacy when you come and taste on the Paso Back Roads Wine Trail is next level.
We know that some guests really appreciate having a luxury experience, but we also want to be approachable and we want to be family oriented and allow guests to just relax and enjoy themselves as well. So you can have anywhere from an educational tasting to a casual sit down on a sofa for an hour with your friends.
You can sit down with the owners, with the families, the boutique vineyards, and you feel like you're sitting in your own private vineyard. Nowhere else in Paso are you going to have that experience.
You can walk into a tasting room and it's usually the winemaker or the owner pouring you behind the bar. That's something that Paso is losing a little bit, and I love that the Back Roads is keeping that focus of family-driven wineries. Every label has a story, so when you keep coming back, you get more and more of our history.
The community of winemakers, wineries, and viticulturists in Paso is all about helping each other. It's an extended family. People share, people teach, people want you to succeed. And the community here is powerful for that reason. They open the doors. They're trying to bring you in and lift you up.
You know, I just want these to be really fun. I want our guests just to enjoy their time, remember us, buy our wine, come back, tell others, you know, and then come over here on the Paso Back Roads Wine Trail and spend your entire day. Come see us and the other 30.